Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. 2 weeks worth of Oxit holes coming right up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here another consolidated shipping unboxing. And as mentioned in the intro video, this is 2 week worth of Oxit items. Okay, so we usually join the Oxit auctions every Saturday here in Philippine time. Okay, I think that's Friday evening in US. Okay, and for week number 1, we won only one booster. Okay, because we were unable to monitor the auctions. The kids were a bit rowdy that Saturday, so I had to take care of them. And then on week number 2, I was able to get, I think, a couple of boosters, which is usually my standard to get 2 boosters, one for each of the brick in the case break. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, I was also able to get a couple of items for auction. Okay, non-boosters for week number 2. Okay, and we'll get to find that out together as I open this box of goodies. Okay. Ah, no, this is not Oxit items. I mean, it's not just Oxit items, but also purchases online. Okay, so I have here. Okay, so let's check the orientation. So we have here a cookie quartet. Okay, so I'm mistaken. So we have much more than Oxit items. We have cups, cookie quartet. Okay, so we got one. Okay, aside from the ones WizKids gave us. So thank you very much for that. That was our personal purchase from before. It just got consolidated in this package. And then we got the X-Men first appearance. Okay, so also again, WizKids gave me a sample copy to unbox. Okay, and you can look at the channel for that unboxing video. But I also ordered one for myself initially. So now it arrived. Okay. So those are very, very good products. And you can see here the auction items. Okay, and let's take it out. As I said, I won also a couple of items, and those are the Deadpool and Wolverine LE editions. Okay, so this is MVP 206 and 207. I don't have this yet, so that makes it almost completes our Deadpool Weapon X set. Okay, so we want to get anything related to Deadpool Weapon X. Okay, and then we have our booster pulls. Okay, so I think this is the one that I said when I said I pulled 2 and I pulled 1 booster. Let's go ahead and take a look if we had a successful break. This is 522. This is 530. Okay, 23. Okay, so I think the 23 was Howard unfortunately ran out of bricks, so that's why he had to do an unboxing, a separate unboxing. So I'm not so sure of the history, but we did well, if I'm not mistaken. We have Scarlet Witch. We have Quicksand. We have Absorbing Man. And there you go. We have the Tooth Grinder and the Los Diablos Soldier. So we pulled the Goat, Super Rare Goat, and the Better Goat from the 2 because of the free knockback, an adjacent opposing character, and of course the Empower for close range attack. Okay, so Absorbing Man C is also worthwhile actually. Okay. The next one we pulled. So we only got 1 booster for week 1 and 1 booster for week 2, making it 2 boosters. Okay, I'm mixing up my auctions. Okay, so we have Valkyrior, we have the Seer, we have Speedball, we have Thunderbolt, and the Rare Destroyer. A meta, of course, a meta piece, equipment, destroyer. I think this is our third or fourth destroyer that got through our hands. Okay, one per break, that for sure. And we were able to sell a couple. So this is our duplicate destroyer. Okay, so those are my holes. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Group picture before we say bye bye.